Howdy everyone, how's it going? Hopefully the audio's okay here. Let me know if music's a bit too loud. I'm once again fiddling with the stream setup, so... What is framework? Working on some ideas for a new Juxt backend. So, stuff that shouldn't visually make a difference, but will make a large difference in how the whole code base works. Yeah, Juxt is going to be using a different web framework. We're going into our own implementation of HTMX, along with some other just backend changes. So, still no JS in the backend, just actual framework running on the web. Howdy. And that's the right one. There we go. I am way blown out of proportion here. Thank you, webcam, for totally messing up my exposure. Oh. That's a little better. We'll take that. OMG, it's a Wii U. Yes, it is. Howdy. When will MC Wii U be multiplayer? Don't have an update on that at this time. I'm not one of the people that's working on that. Can you find me in Wara Wara Plaza? I'm sure you guys are in there somewhere. How's it going? How's everybody doing this evening? Slot is dead on the Wii U. I'd love to use it more if it wasn't TBH. I see my me in Splatoon. Heck yeah. Here, hold on. Oh, I need to actually get the OBS window open. I can't see it. There you guys go. Oop. Anyone else spotting their Miis? Anyways. There we go. So, basically tonight is gonna be probably not that long of a stream, honestly. We've got work in the morning. I just wanted to hop on because I've been meaning to hop on the last couple days. But I just kind of wanted to mess around with a little bit of HTMX stuff, make sure things are actually working on the Wii U. I figured you guys would probably enjoy seeing that. So yeah, it's kind of the current game plan here. Also an excuse to work on some personal stuff as well that hopefully I can show more of in the future. But anyways, let's hop on over. There's jack shit in here. This has entirely been me screwing around and playing with different ideas. So not had too much here so far, but here, let me get this up. This should work. We'll see. It's gonna work. Maybe. There we go. I can switch this around. There we go. So, really simple stuff. Just playing around with things that'll actually run on the Wii U. So, for now though, let's actually get... Switch back to the desktop. There we go. I'm sorry that the contrast is all over the place. My webcam is not the greatest. Music very loud. 1 second. How's that? A little better? Also, let me fiddle with my face cam just a tiny bit more. Maybe? No, it's not gonna have it, is it? Okay, well, I tried. Pretty good? Music pretty good? Okay, cool. So we have our own implementation of HTMX NWFX that I wanted to play with because it's something we want to do or use on Juxt eventually, at least in theory. So what I was gonna do is yeet. Oh, that's not what I wanted. I'm just gonna steal these for now into the local repo. Cool. Okay, I don't have anything else in here yet. Heyo, we got Pretendo and Twitch. Borrow without permission. I mean, it was written for this explicit purpose, so I don't know if that entirely counts. Oh. Alright, well, we're not off to a good start already. Not implement interface. Okay, I didn't write this code, so... Also, hold on 1 second. It is, like, blinding. No? We're not importing it? Oh, it's in... Womp womp. There we go. Better. When will Pretendo support all of Twitch? What do you mean by that? I don't even think the Wii U browser supports Twitch anymore. So I'm not sure why that fails. It's because it's not running on a Wii U. Let's pop over to the Wii U web browser and see if this loads. Not really sure what's going on. Oh. Oh, oops. I am flip-flopped. Let's try that again. There we go. Well, I didn't mean to search that, but okay. I guess. Try that again. What's your next keys? Console serial number, local friend code, seed, MAC address, PID, region, language. I need it for educational purposes. No. So weird. Connection timed out. I didn't lose it, did I? 92.168.0. Oh, one. Oop. You know what would be cool if I put in the right IP address. Okay. Also, I'm not currently... Oh, there we go. Okay. Cool. I also need the settings, developer tools, 5 9 cool. Okay. Let's see. Is it gonna? There we go. All right. Is it gonna let me actually inspect the web page? Maybe. This actually might not play nice in Microsoft Edge or on Firefox. Yeah, there's a lot of... Okay. Do I seriously need to whip out Edge just to do debugging on this? Yeah, I do. Okay. That's cool. There we go. Now you can see me actually interacting with the page. Yay for Chrome Web Debugger. So... enable debugging. Cool. This didn't break on here, did it? Okay, so this code does not run in modern web browser environments, which is cool. Is this just a Chromium thing? No, it's just a modern thing. Okay, that's fine. Whatever is playing in the background has me bopping my head up and down. This is fire. This is the DJ Cutman's Wii U Grooves playlist. Or, not playlist. Wow, words are escaping me today. It's their album. It's good shit. Very much would recommend if you haven't done it or haven't ever listened to it. Cool. Okay, now we can actually do stuff. Cool. So, I'm not gonna lie, not too familiar with HTMX. It's definitely something that I have room to learn, but that's kind of the point, isn't it? How you doing? Is this a front-end / UI rewrite? Starting to look into at this point is kind of the way I'm going to say this. We're going to experiment with a couple things just to see how well it works, and see if we want to move forward with it. Let me re-enable the dark mode plugin so I can actually like see what's going on. I think that'd be cool. There we go. Oh, that did not work at all. That's cool. Also, I am aware that it's the Wii U screen that's showing right now. Trying to get this to play nice for me. And it's not. Okay, let's do that one. Yay! Okay, cool. So let's hop on over to the desktop here. NWFX has a lot of the same syntax and use cases for HTMX. We can pass in headers, we can pass in other things, we can add event listeners, which is all going to it's going to all be needed for Juxt. Juxt is a really complicated web application that has a lot of moving parts, and I don't think we're going to be able to get everything going through HTMX, but I think we're going to be able to get a lot going. So let's play around. So, like the most bare bones stuff here is is gonna be like loading in other templates. So here, do this to get other content, which then it should replace this element. Make it nice and simple. And actually here. Actually, here. We don't actually need to pass this in here. We're not using it for anything right now. So if we come back here and I click this, hey, okay. That's not quite what I was expecting would happen. Why did that? Okay, click me. Oh. Okay, let's try that again. There we go, yay! Is it possible to run this new rewrite on the Neo Geo Pocket Color? Not sure what you mean by that. Is it possible to use 3DS's Juxt interface on the DSi Wii browser? Kind of. I think the DSi actually plays pretty nice with it, surprisingly enough, but I don't think anyone's tried it on the Wii. I certainly haven't tried it. I don't think I have Dolphin installed. Nope. How did you open the dev console on the Wii U? Oh, this is the built-in Wii U browser. So it has a functionality where you can pass in the host and IP address that it specifies, and then you can just have like ancient WebKit dev utils. It's really, honestly, it's quite nice. I wish that we could hack this into like Juxt. It would be a lot of fun, but these browsers are very similar, so if it works on here, it should work in the Juxt app. Also, I am still really overexposed. Do I need to kill like one of the lights? Does that help? I think that helps a little bit. Yeah, except his DSi browser doesn't support history.push state. Nope. That's a lot better. Yeah, I think so too. Cool. Okay. So obviously, like the whole loading in other elements is like super bare bones, but like it gets us somewhere. So let's kind of build out some like simple little templates and just kind of see where we can go. Because the other thing that HDMX can do, and I don't know if we have it in here yet. Let's see. We can target things? But not positive. So swap out our HTML indicators. So like the kind of tricky part that I'm like kind of picturing in my head a little bit is like, okay, so I click on, let's say, one of the menu items on the left side of Juxt, and I need to swap to that element, but I also need to replace the content over on the other side. And that part's the easiest part. I can just target it, but how do I make sure that the sidebar is also updated? Ideally without using much JavaScript. That's kind of like the main thought. Also, 2012 coding stream. Heck yeah. God, going back in time. Hey, this is the Wii U. We're spoiled rotten on the Wii U. The 3DS is nightmare fuel. Oh my god, I hate doing the web development on the 3DS. Genuinely very frustrating console in every aspect of its existence. So, John's asking if I can actually upload the VOD. Which I will try to do for this one. I've not been on top of it lately, mostly just because I've not been good about being on stream lately, so just been really busy with work, but it's all good. Anyways. In this universe, Jemma is working on a website for Nintendo. God. LMAO. I actually have been experimenting with some things. I've been playing with a couple of things on the Wii U, particularly surrounding Nintendo web framework stuff. Just kind of seeing what functions are available. We have a lot of the stuff documented. That's kind of like half the point of NWFX, Nintendo Web Framework. Like, that's all there, but we also have, what am I looking for? App types. There we go. We have a lot of functions defined in here, but there's still plenty more for us to find. And it's a fun excuse to look more into stuff and play with things. So, yeah. Old Reddit still somehow works on the Wii web browser. I'm not that surprised at that. I highly doubt they maintain that web interface very much. But anyways, so let's try and do something a little more complex. Is this post body? Okay, cool. Post. Interesting. You water damage your 3DS screen? No. We have to be nice to the 3DS as they're fragile. Okay. So let's like try to think about how I want to go about this. I kind of want to build some templates and play with some things. I guess, do I actually have this up? I don't have the Figma up at the moment, but that's okay. I think I could talk about this. This is not something affiliated with Pretendo. This is just me doing my own Wii U stuff, which eventually I'm going to do on my own channel. I just haven't gotten around to setting up all of my branding stuff. This Animal Crossing themed stream setup is the closest I've gotten to that. But if any of you guys knew, on, what's the name? The WeLink team resurrected a food delivery app on the Wii a little while ago, called, I think it's pronounced Dame-kan. And there, for information, if people weren't aware, there was also a version of that on the Wii U. And so I've been kind of poking at it a little bit, just kind of for fun, to see what I can do, how what was built into it worked, see if I can get it to redirect to different places, and we'll see if it goes anywhere. I'm not going to make any promises, and once again, not affiliated with Pretendo officially in any regard. This would entirely be a me project fooling around on a Wii U. But that was kind of the other half of the part with this whole repo and playing around with these, was to enable content like that. So actually, let me get this up. Let's do test. Yeah, it is just a web browser, but surprisingly enough, there's actually a decent amount of logic still built into the application, which I can actually show here in a second. There we go. So, this is actually two different web pages running at the same time. So if I do a swap me, and then actually fix it. So, here, if I can actually manage to click the button. Come on. There. That's on the gamepad. That's on the TV. So it's two independent web browsers. I've not done much experimenting with them so far to see if they have any sort of like inter-process communication style setup. But it's been kind of fun just to poke at something else on the Wii U that's still web-based, but not the hellish experience that is the Miiverse applet sometimes. But it's been kind of fun just to poke around, and I don't know, we'll see. But no promises on any of that, just things to play around with. Anyways, wonder if they're stored locally on a Wii U or on a remote server. Vast majority of it so far I've seen was stored on a remote server. There's some content that exists in the applet. Not too much that's really useful in terms of like the app's functionality. Pretty much everything was handled server-side to my knowledge, other than parental control checks, and then the actual like loading the two different pages for the TV and the gamepad. So it's nothing fancy at all. What's the Pretendo Miiverse 3DS URL? I forgot what it is. It's the page that you are navigated to when you open it on your 3DS. Yeah, leftover test content. That's the interesting part. Not really much for us to poke around in that I really want to poke around in, truthfully. The URL depends on what version you are, or which server configures that to. So if you're in test, it goes to one. If it goes to a different one, if you're in beta, another one for dev that's not public at the moment. But yeah, anyways, let's play with some templates. Let's try and build stuff. So let's Well. These are paid. Homepage. Yeah. We'll do newsfeed. This is not like, I'm not building like actual like Juxt code at this point. I'm just playing with stuff. Also, I think the album stopped. Let's get something else going. My music not syncing here. What's going on? I had an album I was gonna play from my phone, or I was listening to it on my phone earlier, and now I can't find it. Let's go to a classic. Ye old reliable Glass Beach. How are you bypassing the service token request unless you aren't requesting it yet? I'm not bypassing it. I just supplied the server config in a local copy of the account server. So I'm providing the server or the actual token that we would provide from the account server.
How could I ever sleep at night?
Anyways, so oh boo, boo. Default formatting. Self-hosted Pretendo Docker is awesome. I've not even tested it yet. Everything that I'm running is still fully like bare metal set up. I don't have any of the Docker stuff set up yet, but I want to play with it. It honestly looks like a lot of fun. Okay, whatever. That's a good start. Yeah, I know the you have to respect the whitelist, but it's the same as any other web app on the Wii U. Wonder why the Game and Wario Warriors community? Oh, Game and Wario community actually became a thing. Because it was requested a lot, and I finally got around to actually setting it up. That's really it. There's not much else to it. Yay, developer tools. Did not mean to hit that microphone. Delete a word post that don't actually get deleted in game. Oh, fuck. Did I not fix that? I forgot to double check that. High key. Sorry about that. The ADHD is very real sometimes. Post, get. There we go. Post by ID. There. There's not a single post in here. I need Game and Wario. There's Game and Wario. 5-minute coding adventure. In and out, 5-minute adventure. Actually, game start, lol. It would be helpful if actually, was actually running it. I have API local police. Which, I always forget which endpoint actually requests that video. Can you request it, please? Hi. My API server did not create. From a ban. Did I forget to unban myself locally last time I was testing? You know, it would be helpful if my test account wasn't banned. That'd be a pretty good idea. Yep. I banned myself on my test account for my local setup. Alright, let's try that again. Could I unban myself? No, this is my local account. Are we gonna re-request it? Yeah. Good job. What? Boo. Boo. This is what happened. Why is there no... I don't have any community set up for this locally. Womp womp. What happened to my communities? I had communities. Are they not in here? I have like 500 communities in here. How do I not have Game and Wario? Type 0. Open the community. Stop having it be closed. Okay, so I got the title IDs in there. I got the community IDs and the all community IDs. So I think parent. I'm aware I'm not showing the database on screen, by the way. The parent is set. Alright, let's just go right into prod. I don't want to troubleshoot database issues locally right now. I think I still fix it. I just need to see what the requests are. Yeah, sorry, we jumped around. Oh my god, why are you requesting topics? Who told you you could run boss task? I didn't say that you could do that. What? Oh, bad token. God damn it. Alright. Come on. I think it'd be cool if my Wii U would work. Is Weaver Sketch at least working in prod right now? Does anyone know? I've not heard any complaints other than the bad words not showing up. So, like, I'm pretty sure we're good. Posting permissions? What about the posting permissions? Okay. Bad token. Huh. $400 error 16. Alright. I'm not even running this locally right now. This isn't prod. Which is never a reassuring sign, truthfully. So a bad token can get thrown for like a bazillion reasons. Error code 400, error code. Please pass it in. Wait, 14. 16. No fucking error code 14 in this repository. What? I have so many questions. What? Sorry. Change user information. I gotta see what... I wonder if I'm in dev right now. I'm totally in fucking dev right now. That's why it's giving me a bad token, because the service tokens are different. Oh, it's been a little bit since I've worked on this, if it wasn't obvious. Would you look at that? I'm in beta. What? What? Let me move to prod. Okay. I love it when my own software doesn't work. It's always a great feeling. I don't know why my own software is breaking. We're way off tangent. This is not at all what I had planned for this stream, but we're here now, so I'll take it, I suppose. Discovery. Is it gonna bad token me? You little bastard. Huh. Is anyone able to get in on prod right now, or am I just fucked? Can I sign into Juxt on web? Yeah. So we're just gonna reboot the Wii U. All else fails, reboot Wii U. That's my motto. It seems to happen to me more when I get in game. Huh. Alright. Who wants to watch the Wii U cry in pain with me? I promise it's okay. The Wii U's had a rough morning. Rough evening. Rough existence. I've been so mean to this Wii U. This thing's so broken. Aside from the mod chip, which breaks standby mode, there's a billion other things with it. Alright, come on. Okay. Alright. Cool. Still bad token, though. Wait. Okay, no, that was just a genuinely a bad token. Now I'm requesting a fight. Man, what the fuck? Why is the Wii U like this? Why does it do this to me? Okay. Well, let's try Game and Wario again. It's apparently the Game and Wario fun stream today. Okay. Okay. Weaver sketch. Okay. Okay, so we pulled the endpoint. Communities. Posts. Okay. That's why why did it only get one single result? Trending words. Probably gonna be something inappropriate on screen. Oh, surprisingly. Good job, guys. Proud of you. You didn't say something terrible. Okay, so communities, ID, posts. That's where I thought it was gonna be at. So, let's take community ID posts. Yeah, I imagine there's something. Wii U 2 Deluxe. Mr. Beast, Jesus Christ, you guys. Okay. Xbox 360. Okay, these are not terrible right now. Alright, so let's hop back over here. So, find community, if it doesn't exist. We look for it by its title ID instead of the community ID. If that doesn't exist, we tell it to fuck off. Great. Community post query. Removed false. The post is removed. Shouldn't even be getting queried. That's what I thought. So I think it would be funny if you execute a command and, like, I don't know, delete all communities. There you go. Big brain. Ban all users. Okay. / ban all Juxt users. Lol. There you go. Everyone's banned now. Select. There you go. Goodbye. Anyways, okay, so like, so maybe I need to follow up with the mods. What inappropriate words were we dealing with? Because I don't see any getting populated right now. I can't yab my own post. Sad. It looks fine. It seems like it's pulling things correctly. I don't see anything in here. There's lots of N-words. Oh, of course there was. Gotcha. The usual garbage. My vote is we remove Drake as well. I don't know. It really seems like, I don't know why. Okay, we did not leak my token just now. That's a good thing. Making sure I didn't just fuck that up. So like, I don't know. There is a check for it. I don't know if it just takes time for it to cycle out of the game. So, okay. I don't know. It's probably fine now. I appreciate Bill Cipher. Has anyone drawn Bill Cipher yet? That is Bill. That is one Bill Cipher. Okay. That's Bill. That is not a triangle. I'm disappointed. That's a really good Bill. Good job, Juxt users. And we're done. Oh my god, there's a whole bunch of them. You know what? Who drew that? You get a yeah. Yeah. You get a yeah. Lots of good bills. You also get a yeah. Anyways. Okay. So, like, I'm gonna call that good, probably, for now. Yeah, draw Bill. Everyone hop on Meverse Sketch and go draw Bill. Has anyone else been keeping up with all the new shit with Gravity Falls and the Book of Bill that's been happening recently? It's been absolutely wild, especially poking at all the code that they've been using for the website. It's been a lot of fun. Anyways, so back off our tangent. Let's get the internet browser back up. Start again so I can actually debug it. Cool. Okay. So not safe. Winding. Ugh. There we go. Okay. Cool. Yay! So we're not currently including. Oh. That'd be helpful. Life is texting me. So let's do okay, he doesn't like that. Why not? That doesn't work? Seriously? Oh, okay. Does not like that. You're not gonna fight any of this, are you? Thank you, Daffy Phils, for doing that. I mean, I'm with plugin to do this for some notification or something with someone that replies to it. Also, for this version, how bad. Yeah, the notifications endpoint is like not well implemented yet. I have not gotten to it. But it would be really cool to do like a push notice. I really wish that Aroma's notification library could be expanded out a little bit more. And granted, it could probably just be forked to do more styling, but it'd be fun to do like full-blown like Xbox 360 achievement style animations and whatnot. That'd be a lot of fun. I just don't know how feasible that would be. Sorry, wife is texting me. It's just one of those libraries that's just not had a ton of reverse engineering effort put into it yet. Do you agree to the following question? CSS is bad? That's not really a question. It's like a statement. I don't think CSS is bad. I think it has its problems. I don't think that means it's bad. Side project, I want to charge everyone that's plugging into this. I've unironically thought about getting an MQTT broker, like running on a Wii U, more times than I'd like to admit. That intrusive thought wins. It will win at some point. I don't know when, but it will win at some point. I'm telling you, MQTT server, and then you have an application that runs on it that scrapes data from the console, whether it's like running apps or like whatever else, and puts that data onto the broker, and then you can connect to that broker and get data out to like any other home assistant or whatever home automation stuff you want. And you can get even as deep into it as like having like a slight application runtime manager, so you can like send requests to start or stop an application, or like open the home menu or trigger other things. It would be so much work, and you'd have to hook into so much shit. It would probably break so many other like homebrew projects, but it would be very cool. That's all I'm saying. Anyways. Man, I forget how bad these old inspectors are. How many times have I bricked my Wii U? More times than I care to admit. I will be completely and fully honest there. Let's see. Okay. Womp womp womp. Yay! Anyways. Oh. Did you not copy? Hello? Oh. I'm way too scared to try anything that could brick my Wii U. That's why I homebrewed it and accidentally once bricked the virtual Wii. I think my virtual Wii might be broken right now. Yeah, I wanna I don't have a Wii remote on me, damn it. I'm pretty sure my virtual Wii's broken. Oh, you're good. Thanks, Mora. I'm like 99% sure that it's broken. Hold on. Once again, another side tangent. What's up? TV sound effects? Not sure what you're referring to. Also, well, I guess, it's not frozen. I don't have a Wii remote on me though, so. I don't know why I didn't bother to like ask me how I wanted that to start, but okay. No idea what the hell it's doing. Come on. It's not gonna turn off, is it? Yep, I gotta pull power. God damn it. You know, when I say that my Wii U is like horrifically cursed garbage, that's not an exaggeration. It's horrifically cursed garbage. The Wii is weird and doesn't like the power button. Hey! Hey Quirky, how's it going? And yeah, I know VOE is weird. I've broken it more than once though. I won't lie. Yeah, I got this thing shipped. I've not really done a ton with it yet, to be completely honest. But I'd like to play with it more. Also, it's not gonna boot now, is it? Is there anything in the serial logs right now? That's not reassuring. Also, oh, hey! I was just like halfway convinced that I had soft bricked it again. I'll take it. Also, WSL broke. Hold on. Shut down, please. Yes, Docker, I know it shut down. I did that on purpose. Anyways, oh. What happened to topics? Where are topics going? Wara L. It was literally working this entire time on stream so far. Wara W. W, baby. I don't know why it didn't load. That's... I don't know. Wara Plaza. Just fucking... Wara Plaza is what it is. Wii U moment. Am I in there somewhere? Almost definitely. Hold on. You're on my friends list. Hold on. Boop. Boop. Should be in here somewhere, I think. Wait. Hold on. Can I actually bother to... Come on. Can I click you? There you are. It is a lot of fun just to browse Wara Plaza. I will fully admit that there's been times, especially on the living room for the Wii U that I have in the living room, I will just let this sit sometimes and vibe. I just love watching all the news chatter away. It's come a very long way from the old Reddit project back in the day. With an actual like full live community. It's so cool. You know, I'll be the first one to admit that sometimes I get frustrated with development, especially when it comes to Juxt. But I don't regret it. I'm so glad of what we've all built and all the cool shit we do. So, making a game editor engine using a pre-existing library called Rio, it's written C++ and cross-compatible Wii U PC. Just wondering, does Juxt have plans of allowing homebrew game developers to open communities on Juxt? The game editor has FFL decomp support, so Nintendo never got if it ever gets decomped, it could still load me to the API. 100%, yeah. I'm totally open to having homebrew projects have their own communities. If you are making a game and you're wanting to integrate it with Juxt somehow, 100% go for it. I will be happy to work with you. That's really cool. It's a lot of fun. I want to support the community in those regards. And especially if it drives work towards a decomp of Nintendo Network Olive. That'd be nice. I know that there's been some work done but yeah. What's up? Did I miss a message, Corky? Also, I think that no, we're still playing. We still got the album. Oh, are you referring to the decomp library? Having it being nice? It'd just be fun to poke with it, honestly, and also have a better understanding of like error codes. I mean, beyond homebrew integration, that's like the main thing. But it would be nice to be able to debug things a little bit easier. The plugin that I always forget to deploy has been a lifesaver for me. So you can actually monitor the debug logs. Do I have that sitting in here somewhere? Hold on. Yeah, this sucker. Literally just a function replacement to get the report type and then print it out. So nice. This is my favorite thing. Reload. Oh, hold on. Export. What's the commands for reload again? This one's dumb. Export, reload, TCP, oh wait, no, it's TCP. It's 135. Really need to set static IP addresses on these things. That'd be cool to do one day. I say as if I couldn't just do that at almost any given time. Average Rambo W, real. There we go. Do I have this up? There we go. Okay. So now, oh. That's weird. So if I pop it back over here, you can see all of the lovely logs that are getting just absolutely chucked at the serial bus. It loves this. I understand why this is disabled. Olive loves to scream. It just doesn't fucking stop. I almost need to actually do some filtering here, because like now I can't even show you. There we go. It's nice because like it's like, hey, this is offline mode, initializing all this shit. It's great. I unironically have used it a lot for debugging. But yeah, logging every single memory allocation. Yeah, literally log buffer overrun. Some text was dropped. I should add some functionality to filter these out. Like, dog, this ain't it. This ain't it. Wouldn't actually be that bad, probably. What kind of rewrite are you doing? I'm entirely just experimenting with HTMX stuff. Or at least that's what we were doing before we keep getting sidetracked. The ADHD is winning tonight. I'm not going to lie. I appreciate you guys sticking around for stream, though. I know this isn't the most exciting content sometimes, but I enjoy doing it. It gives me a motivation to actually do work. So, are you planning to integrate Wii U boss functionality on the Wii U Juxt? The reverse icon does trigger the glow already if it gets. Yeah, I need to do it. I've not played with it. Am I in Swap Me right now? Yes, I am. That would be why. I think there's a couple functions that I need to call from the browser applet, and I have the Sorry, it's like allergy hell right now, so I've been stuffy all stream and I apologize. Yeah. As you can tell, I didn't get very far. Putting music down here? Yeah, of course. There we go. I will never stop fucking with the audio on my stream. I don't think it's ever gonna happen. Yep, has 0. We're good. Post, nothing. We have dumps of this. I just have not gotten around. This is one of those things that has sat in the backlog for like 10 months. That's just from the rewrite. So many next protocols work fine. You just return 0. That seems to be Nintendo's memo for a lot of shit. The amount of things in Juxt, particularly the API side, if I tell it everything's fine, it'll be like, okay, everything's fine. We're good. I was wondering if it was possible to post Pretendo blogs to the notification center on the 3DS and Wii U via Smart Pass. I would love to do that. We've not made enough effort on the reverse engineering of that yet. I can do it. I can modify them. I can repackage them. I have not been able to get them to pull from a server. Do I actually have a notification on here I can show? I might have a notification. There we go. There we go. Hold on. Wii U time. Hello from Miiverse. We can do it. It's just a huge pain in the ass. Gamepad notifications, system notifications on the Wii U have not gotten served. Which I can't even use standby mode. I don't know. Hey, Corky, you have a mod chipped Wii U, right? Have you messed with standby mode in it at all? Out of curiosity, if you have. Because mine, my Wii U will just get permanently stuck in standby mode. Never comes out of it. Does not happen. The mod chip console died. No! Oh, that's so sad. Is that the one you did the NAND swap on too with the SD or with the SSD? I think it was an SSD. I know you did a NAND swap of some kind. I just don't remember what you replaced it with. Yeah, the 1 terabyte hard drive. Okay. What mod chip are we talking about? Here, I can pull it up. If I can find it. What the hell? My GitHub has not been loading lately, and it's like a little bit infuriating. I didn't swap my main console since Wii stops working. Ah, that's fair. There we go. This one, yep. It's called Boot 1 exploit for the Wii U. That you can. Oh. Apparently, I've been streaming too long. The light died. Hold on. Good to know. That works for just over an hour. Oh, I'm on my Wii U. Oops. There we go. Yay! Exploits. Minute. I believe. Which repo? Shiny Quag. Which repo has this one? There we go. Yeah. just a Pico-based mod chip. I don't think I have any photos of it. Hold on. I don't think I do. I don't think we have any photos. Do we have any photos on here? No. Oh, there you go. Well, not really. Gives you the wiring diagram at least, but it's weird because I think it's low-key less stable than soft mod. Oh yeah, it's 100%. I have so many stability issues after installing it, but it is so much more fun. I absolutely adore poking around with it. But yeah, 100% less stable. That's why, like, standby mode, I just get stuck in it. Just dead ass. Can't get out. I could have sworn though that I had taken a photo of this. What am I actually doing? Oh, hold on. Might have found the day. February 11th. Where is... Okay, well I have like a really janky photo. Doesn't really actually show it though. You can only see like the mag wire. There you go. Look at this beautiful monstrosity down here. I can't call it a monstrosity. My wife soldered this. She did a wonderful job. Do I have any better photos though? It took so much effort though. Oh, there we go. That's an actual better photo. There we go. So we ran the mag wire through one of the screw holes in the motherboard, and everything else is up by the CPU. Yeah, the Rev 50 board. Yeah. I did not realize that until I opened it up, and I went, fuck. There's a part of me that does want to cut it up, but I'm not there yet. I have been following the thread for a long time now on BitBuild for the Wii U Portable. I haven't checked in a little bit, but I know that the trimming is getting better with them, which is really nice. So maybe I'll build a Wii U Portable someday. But yes, shout out to my wife, Icy Letters, who does all of my soldering because she loves me very much. And I know she's not watching her stream right now, but she might watch the VOD later, so I love you. Anyways. Yep. Picos. If you want a dead-on pick, hell yeah. Hold on. Okay. I'm gonna open these up in a new tab so I don't accidentally open something I don't want to open. So I have too many Discord DMs that I have not answered, like most of them. Okay, hold on. There we go. Hey. God, the 1 terabyte hard drive. And there you go. Yeah, specifically the Rev 50 boards, a couple of those test pads are just like barely there. They're only the smaller points now instead of the full test pads. And originally I was going to do the soldering for it because I was just like, LOL, why not, right? No, that was a mistake. I gave up immediately. She ended up doing it. The USB is nightmarish. I don't even have mine run right now. I meant to cut a hole in the back of my Wii U and actually try and create like a nice looking port for it, because I also have this serial USB adapter that I use for all the logging in the PowerPC side, and I also haven't gotten around to that. I love USB logger, love Aroma, but anyways, yeah, I use both of them, or I have used both of them, so it's just like I don't want to not have one or the other, but right now the Aroma one is my main thing. Anyways, so it's like 9:15. I know we didn't really accomplish like a specific goal tonight. I'm mostly okay with that. It's been nice to just chit chat with some of you guys. I know I've not been streaming much. Truth be told, work's been killer. Been really busy the last couple months, and it's only gotten worse. So I appreciate you guys always coming out to watch the streams, even if they're not as productive as I'd like them to be. Just, yeah. I have mine set up for real-time HE. What? Did you post about that in the dev chats? I feel like you might have mentioned that before, but what? That's so fucking slick. I love that. I don't honestly whip out Wireshark very often because most of the stuff that I'm working on with is not UDP, but that'd be fun to play with sometime. I don't even know, do I even have Wireshark installed right now? Shows you how much of a real dev I am. I don't even have Wireshark installed right now. I do have more stuff I want to do in the future. I have other projects just to kind of prevent the Juxt burnout from happening. Do I have anything I can actually show right now? Can I show this? Oh, this is so far from functional. We'll see. Wireshark only works 20% next. God. Rust reel. Yeah, I'm finally picking it up. I've been procrastinating writing shit in Rust for far too long. I've been futzing around with the Discord Rich Presence thing for Pretendo on the Wii U and 3DS. All the UI frameworks in Rust kind of suck ass. I'm not gonna lie. Like, once you get there, it works, but like, I don't want to like resort to web frameworks for fucking everything. And it kind of feels like that's what I'm stuck with at the moment. And so I really don't know what I'm gonna do. So I have the... Yeah, hold on. Nope. Goodbye. Do I have this installed right now? No. Cross-platform UI is still kind of an unresolved problem unless you're willing to like shell it for Qt. I know, and we use Qt at work, and it's so nice. But like, fuck. It's like The licensing costs. I really like this framework a lot. Freya that I've been playing with. So far, this is my favorite out of all of them so far that I've messed with. This is by and far the best, but granted, my Rust is just not good. I'm still learning it. Caro. Let's try that again. Is it actually gonna build? Also, I think we lost music. Let's go from the first Glass Beach album right to the second one, because that's all I listen to. Waiting on file lock on build directory. What? There we go. Okay. Anyways, Freya's nice. It's clean. It's got a lot of extensions that I really like. Trying to actually get different pages to render has been nightmarish. And granted, I don't know what I'm doing. And not many apps use this, so there's not many examples. But I really like how little resource utilization this one uses in particular, since it's not a web backend for it. That's like a little bit why I was playing around with this other one. Because I was like, alright, well, if I'm going to go web, I might as well go web. But this is going to take a minute to build, I'm sorry. Also probably going to wrap up streaming a little bit here. I got work in the morning early, and I've not been getting good sleep the last couple nights, so I had too many energy drinks today. But I do want to try and get back on the stream grind a little bit. At least like once or twice a week. So I'm not going to make any promises, but fingers crossed if things go my way. A couple more streams here in the future. Also, yeah, never go with web. Me, the like mainly web developer, trying to get away from web. But anyways, I really like this. I very much enjoy this UI framework. It's clean. Like it seemed to work really well. Now the main website is not loading for some reason, which is cool, I guess. But anyways, this is a non-functional stub. This does nothing. I have some code for Rich Presents that I'm playing with. For a little while, I was playing around with potentially using the actual Discord API, but our application for got rejected. They are apparently no longer handing out that API access. So don't know why they said no. They didn't give us any explanation. I was basically told that it won't happen. So I don't know. I know there's a 3DS one that uses the API that's really slick. I'm trying to remember the name right now so I can actually name drop it. Actually, let me just go to the gigantic forum post I dropped in the Discord developers chat, because I made a very long post in there. Uh, 3DS RPC, this sucker. This is a really slick implementation, and you just log in with Discord for OAuth, and it just works. It's real slick. It abuses the Friends API in Nintendo clients. It's real slick. I really like it. Probably wanting bigger groups to use Quest now. Yeah, that's probably it. Oh look, there you go. The link was also dropped in the chat. Yeah. There is a pull request for Pretendo support. Did that get merged finally? Looks like that got merged. Oh. Oh, okay, GitHub. You're so good at this. That was last year. Anyways. Updated to prod. Cool, cool. Hell yeah. But yeah, like it's frustrating because we literally have Discord integration, right? Like Jemma mentioned. What the fuck's going on with our website? Why can't I actually load our main website right now? Okay, it's just Firefox being Firefox, I guess. Do I have bad cookies right now? Is that what's up? I have fucked with things a couple too many times and then it gets all pissy. It isn't loading for you either. I blame Firefox. Yeah, we should check off stream. I'm actually gonna ping John. I won't ping John yet, I'll ping him afterwards. Loading for me, like for me. Okay, yeah, I'm sure it's fine. But anyways, I'm gonna go back to pursuing this because I think it's fun to have a nice little UI. And if I actually pull up the memory usage for this, because like a lot of the UI libraries that I was messing with were pulling in so much garbage. But look at this, 32 megs. That is a lot more in line with what I actually want to put on people's computers. I'm sorry, if your background application is using more than like 100 or 150 megabytes of RAM, go away. Cause like, look, fucking Fiddler running with all that shit is only like 34 megs. And then, you know, Discord, which I don't even have running right now, but like VS Code. Oh, why are you using 5.2 gigs for like okay, there's two open windows right now, but like, come on. Even OBS is only using like 125 megs of RAM. Like, stop putting web apps on desktop. Just stop it. Go back to writing UIs. I promise it's better. This is coming from someone who's a web developer. Stop it. No more. God. Anyways, we'll see if I get anywhere with this. I need to write a whole ton of gRPC APIs, which I'm not looking forward to because compiling protobufs in the couple times I've had the misfortune of doing it sucked. So I gotta go through the effort of building those out, building the APIs, getting that all those pull requests done into the friend server, getting all that merged and deployed, and then maybe finally I can give you guys rich presents. So, anyways, we're kind of getting close to 9:30 here. I've almost been streaming for 2 hours. I know we didn't do much, but I'm probably gonna get hopping off here because I still need to get ready for work tomorrow. Actually, make sure I cleaned up from dinner. Okay. Yeah. But thank you guys for hanging out tonight. This is a nice kind of chill stream. I really enjoyed it. I don't know if I'm gonna stream again this week. We'll see. like I said, work's been really hellish. So I'll see at least one next week. Not one later this week. There'll be one next week. So I'll keep you guys in the loop, and you guys will always get a ping in the Discord server. And I need to start putting posts on Juxt when I go live as well. But thank you guys for hanging out tonight. Hope you guys all have a good evening / morning / midday, whatever time zone you're in. And yeah, see you guys later.